Hey there, this video is going to be about choosing a lawyer and how to find a good lawyer to help you with your case. My name is Veronica. I am a criminal defense attorney here in California, and I help people who have been arrested put their criminal cases behind them so that they can enjoy their lives and their freedom. And again, in this video, I'm going to be talking about choosing a lawyer, how to find a lawyer, and how to choose a good one. Okay, so this actually applies, even though I do criminal defense, this actually applies to any area of law, and I'm going to show you 3 different ways to find a good lawyer for your case. So number 1 is to, if you already know a lawyer, maybe in a different area of law, like maybe it's a family lawyer, immigration lawyer, ask them if they have a recommendation. That could be really good because they might know somebody maybe from law school, maybe in their professional career, and if they are your lawyer or they're your friend, they're going to want to make sure that anybody that they recommend is going to be good. So that is number 1, referral source like that is gold. Number 2 is look online for someone with good reviews. And we do this with restaurants, for example, right? I mean, do this with lawyers. Read the reviews, read the bad ones if there are any bad ones, and see if they seem reasonable, see if the lawyer responded. Look at the reviews. I would look at Google reviews. That's maybe first. You can also look at AVVO, A as in Apple, V as in Veronica, V as in Veronica, O.com. Look at that, and if they have reviews on there, see what they are. I will warn you that Avo, so that's the AVVO, they're kind of like Avo itself is incredibly shady, and they're super monetized, and they want you to they want lawyers to pay a bunch of money to them in order to have certain things on their site. So I would not use their search feature to find lawyers because they're going to boost lawyers who maybe aren't necessarily the best, but who pay them whatever it is, $500 or $600 per month. They're going to boost those people instead of showing you the lawyers that are actually good. And a lot of us, I mean, I have some reviews on Avo, of course, but a lot of us are sort of you know what, we don't really like Avo, especially because they rate lawyers and they make you to get I have a 10 out of 10 rating on there because I just can't stand to have something less than that. But to do that, I just show them every publication that I've ever had and everything. Otherwise, they were going to rate me an 8. You know, that's annoying. And it's annoying that they just publish and they'll say somebody's 7 out of 10. You're like, why? And they don't tell you what it's based on, but you can use their site and upload a bunch of things, and then maybe they will boost you up to a 10. So, I mean, screw those guys, but look at the ratings, especially on Google. I would say Yelp. I mean, a lot of lawyers don't really use so much, plus Yelp does some shady things, but Google's pretty legit. So I would look at ratings. You know, you can just write whatever it is, criminal defense attorney in Los Angeles or family law attorney in, you know, wherever you may be, Topeka, and just type that in there and see what comes up. The third one, and I know that this is a bit self-serving, but I feel like the clients that I've found from this have clicked with me very well because they understand, they like me, I like them, they have watched my videos. Anyway, it's YouTube. I actually think YouTube is very good, and that is what I have used to find professionals for myself because I know, I can watch their things, I can be educated by them, I can ask them questions based on what they posted, I can see if I like their, okay, I'm from Chicago, but I live in LA now. But I can see if I like their energy, right? If I feel like this is somebody who actually will help me, or this is somebody who doesn't give a crap. You know, you might get that in person, but instead of investing the energy to meeting them in person, I get to, and the awkward meeting if I don't like them. Instead, I get to kind of feel their energy from the beginning. And I mean, I've looked for example, tax attorneys, and a lot of them I'm oh my God, your energy is I just don't feel like you seem very low energy, honestly. Or you seem like you don't care and you're jaded and you're not going to want to help me. And that is not what I'm looking for. I want someone who is actually going to help me with, you know, whatever issue I'm having, right? And so I think that is a big one, and you can find very quickly, just click them off. If you don't jive with me for your criminal defense case, sure, just click me off, go to the next person. I think that is actually a really good source without investing a lot of time to figure out who is good. Anyway, if you have a criminal case in California that you need help with, feel free to give me a call. You can find my number down below, and the link to book a consultation is also right down there. Thank you so much.